Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today on Tasty SB, we are making the ultimate comfort food. Triple treat loaded fries, a fusion of crispy fries, spicy chicken tikka, macaroni or pasta, and creamy cheesy sauce that will unlock your taste buds. So let's get started. Let's start by preparing our chicken. Take 250 grams of boneless chicken chunks. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 packet of tikka masala, yummiest tikka masala ever. And 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And then mix well and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. And then take a pan, cook the marinated chicken until fully done and tender. And then meanwhile boil 250 grams of macaroni or any kind of pasta in a salted water and then drain and set aside. Now third step, pasta and chicken combine step. Add the cooked pasta into the chicken. Toss in some chopped spring onions and mix everything with thicker chicken and spices. Now add oregano, salt, black pepper, ketchup, red chili sauce and mix well. Now it's fourth step and my most favorite step of this recipe, creamy cheesy sauce. Now let's make the star of the show, the creamy cheese sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for a minute. Gradually whisk it in 1.5 cups of milk and 1 cup of pasta water. Now season with half teaspoon of salt, paprika powder, black pepper, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder and ginger powder, half teaspoon of chicken powder and half teaspoon of oregano. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard paste and whisk it properly. When it thickens, add 100 grams of cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. I have added mozzarella cheese because personally I like a lot. Now it's step number 5, which is fries preparation. Take 4 to 5 medium potatoes, peel and cut them into fries. Coat them with 3 tablespoons of cornflour, red chili flakes and salt, black pepper, paprika powder and mix them well. it's time to assembling the dish. In a platter or sizzler dish, make a base layer of crispy fries. Top with the spicy chicken pasta. Pour over the hot cheesy white sauce generously. Sprinkle some oregano and slice black olives for the final touch. Or ta-da! And there you have it, triple treat loaded fries, creamy, crispy, spicy and full of flavor. Save it, try it and don't forget to follow tasty recipes for more delicious creations. Hope you like my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Wow!